Good evening to everyone. I hope you're all enjoying yourselves and fun with Masarah. Today is a very special day for me and my wife, Malay, as after a long time of waiting and going through so much of fulfilling the requirements, formalities, and preparations, we are finally celebrating with you today, the most important day in our lives, which we shall always cherish and treasure. Firstly, we'd like to thank everyone for joining us to witness and be part of our wedding ceremony and celebration. Thank you for all the support and assistance. Indeed, we make this day celebration very special and memorable for us. To my dear parents, for all the love, patience, support and understanding from our parents, we thank you so much. My mom, though she could not make it to be with us today, she has extended her best wishes and blessings to me and my wife, Malay. To Nanai, Malay's mother, Nanai, thank you so much for accepting me in your family.
For our fathers, to Miss Nani and to my Papa, who are no longer with us today, but we can feel their presence and we know that they're both happy for us.
To my dear brothers, sisters and relatives, for my brothers, brother-in-law and sisters who came all the way from Singapore and Malaysia, thank you for your love and support and being with us today.